Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tiramisu. First, separate 3 large egg yolks and whisk them with 50 grams of sugar until pale and creamy. In a separate bowl, gently fold 250 grams of mascarpone cheese into the egg mixture until smooth. Brew 200 milliliters of strong espresso and let it cool slightly. You'll also need about 24 Ladyfingers for this classic Italian dessert. Now let's perfect our cream and coffee. In a clean, chilled bowl, whip 200 milliliters of heavy cream until it forms soft peaks. Carefully fold this whipped cream into your mascarpone and egg yolk mixture, ensuring it remains light and airy. For the coffee, combine your cooled espresso with 2 tablespoons of coffee liqueur, or skip the liqueur for an alcohol-free version. This mixture will be crucial for soaking the Ladyfingers. It's time to assemble our delicious tiramisu. Quickly dip each Ladyfinger into the coffee mixture, making sure not to oversaturate them, as they can become soggy. Arrange a single layer of these soaked Ladyfingers at the bottom of an 8-inch square dish. Next, spread half of your creamy mascarpone mixture evenly over the Ladyfingers. Repeat this process, adding another layer of soaked Ladyfingers and the remaining mascarpone cream. Almost there. Once assembled, cover your tiramisu and refrigerate it for at least 4 hours. For the best flavor and texture, chilling it overnight is highly recommended. Just before serving, generously dust the top with unsweetened cocoa powder using a fine mesh sieve. This adds a beautiful finish and a touch of bitterness that perfectly balances the sweetness. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some great deals, including those amazing socks. Enjoy your homemade tiramisu.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.